Hello friends, today we're on the Clearwater Beach and it's the last weekend of October. The weather is really nice. It's super sunny, a little bit breezy. The water is very quiet and beautiful. It's 81 degrees outside and the water is 75 degrees today. And a lot of people are having fun on the beach. Not me. But I will later, I promise. A lot of rentals are out. It means that they expect a lot of people today. It's a little bit early. People just got out of the church. So probably like in a couple hours, we'll have more people in here. The water is very nice. It's not cold, not too warm, just perfect to enjoy. To cool down after you get warm and hot on the sun. It'll be a good fishing day, I guess. Maybe we'll go fishing later. It's still not too much people on the beach, but pretty much a lot. I am definitely not lying about this. It's a good time to have a vacation because it's not really crowded. This is the weekend crowd. During the weekdays, they're like way more airy, I would say. Like there's no crowd at all. And the beach rentals are here available, and you don't need to pay too much for the hotels, and you will definitely find a spot for yourself for the sunset tour, like dolphin watching tour, whatever you want to have. So I would say it's a good time for a vacation to Florida. It's also Halloween time if you like Halloween. And you can wear the costume actually, and people will see it, and we have lots of events over here too. Not just haunted houses, but also like parades, trick-or-treating for kids. They can actually go around the town trick-or-treating, and it will be not in the dark, and they will not have to wear a jacket over their costume. So, recommended. It's just really nice to be outside. I really enjoy my walk because it's not just warm and sunny, but it's also breezy. And there is no humidity anymore. I mean, like there is humidity, but not as crazy as it used to be just 2 months ago. When you get sweaty in 2 minutes after being outside, even without moving around. Look at these beautiful clouds. The sky color changed already, unfortunately. And today I'm going to do the pumpkin carving with my daughter so we can have some fun. And hopefully those pumpkins will survive a couple more days until the actual Halloween day. Because here in Florida, they're not always surviving that long. Too hot. Seagulls are yelling at us, as usually. They're begging for food. They're waiting when people start eating. Just want to warn you that seagulls are actually stealing food right out of your hands and even right out of your open mouth. Keep this in mind, and maybe don't eat on the beach. Maybe find something more protected from seagulls, because they don't respect your boundaries. They don't care about them at all. And please do not feed seagulls on purpose, because you are actually harming them. They are supposed to eat fish, seafood, shellfish, but they're not supposed to eat French fries or chips or popcorn or bread. Anything you have, they're not supposed to eat. It's harming their bodies. Such a cute lifeguard. I'm pretty sure there's a lot of people who have this job as a dream job. Always on the beach, helping people. Unfortunately, this job is not paid as much as it should. I believe people who save other people's lives should pay more. Lots of people are on the boats, jet skis, and the Gulf. Since it is the last weekend before Halloween too, lots of people are having Halloween parties today. Some of them have Halloween parties on the boats. But most of them do it at home. They're watching creepy movies, decorating their houses like something really scary, like a scene out of the horror movie. Some people are just having parties for the kids. So, you know, we all are enjoying it. Lots of umbrellas, and one is about to break. their boats. Not boats, but I don't know, floaties. You can pay money so they can pull the floaties behind their boat and you'll have some fun. But I don't feel like it's safe enough. However, they're trying their best to be safe. Also, they would rent you jet skis, paddle boards, little kayaks, so you can enjoy it.
Oh, look adorable.
That's really nice and cute. Alright guys, I wanted to say thank you for having a walk with me. Thank you for watching the video. Please remember to like it, subscribe, and leave a comment. It helps very much with my YouTube channel development. I hope you enjoyed it. If you didn't enjoy it, just let me know. What do you expect from me to do so I can be better? Once again, thank you and have a good one. Bye-bye.